Good morning. In earlier classes, we have discussed about the heredity, variation, and accumulation of variation. Today we will discuss about the Mendel's words, means those words which have had used by the Gregor John Mendel, father of genetics, and we will discuss about these words. First, you know that chromosome is a highly coiled thread-like structure which is present in a cell or in a nucleus of a body of the organism, means the nucleus contains a chromosome. Every organism have a fixed number of chromosomes, such as human body cells have a 23 pairs of chromosome or 46 chromosome. Chromosome composed of or this chromosome made up of DNA, means several DNA molecules combined with each other and highly coiled with each other with the help of histone protein and will form the chromosome. Means chromosome composed of DNA and DNA have a gene. Each DNA have a gene. And what do you mean by gene? The small part of a DNA. Listen carefully, this is a double-stranded DNA. And here is a small part of a DNA which have ability to produce a protein, a single or one type of protein, such as keratin protein, which is present in our hairs, are produced by a small part of a DNA. This small part of a DNA known as gene, means this gene have ability to formation of a new protein, new enzyme or new characters. This protein may be structural protein and functional protein. These are two types. Means each gene have ability to make the structural protein as well as functional protein. When the body is composed by our cells and form the muscles in our body, and these muscles composed of structural protein. But for the metabolic activities such as glycolysis, Krebs cycles, and for the digestion process, many enzymes are produced which composed of the functional protein. Means each part of a DNA have a special characteristic features. Each part of a DNA have a gene which have ability to form the special type of protein. This is known as a gene. Means a part of DNA which have ability to produce a particular type of protein or particular type of characters or particular type of traits. This is a definition of a gene. And each gene present in a pairs. Listen carefully. Because our every cell have a chromosome which is present in a nucleus having in a pairs of chromosome, 23 pairs of chromosome, and each pair have a homologous. Means if these part of a DNA have ability to formation of a character tallness, and another gene, another part of a DNA which is also present on the another pair of a chromosome is also have a gene of the tallness. Means for the every characters gene becomes in a pairs and gene becomes in a alternative form. Alternative form means each gene have a two form, two pairs, and each form or each pair is known as allele. Means allele is a alternative form of a gene, and when the characters are tallness, we can say a symbol capital T. Another tallness also symbolized by capital T, capital T. And for the darkness, we will symbolize it by small t, small t. Capital T is a allele, capital T also another allele, and both allele are two allele combined with each other and have ability to form a special characters known as a characters are known as a gene. Means each gene have a two allele. Each gene have a two allele for a particular traits or for a particular characters. When any genes expressed itself is known as dominant gene. Means when gene decides a type of appearance, a type of particular appearance in the organism is known as dominant gene. And when the gene cannot express itself phenotypically, means when the gene cannot express externally characters is known as recessive allele. Such as tallness is a dominant allele or dominant gene, and dwarfness is a recessive gene or recessive allele. Our recessive allele cannot decide the appearance of the organism, whereas dominant allele have ability to decide the characters, decide the appearance of the characters is known as dominant allele. Next, genotype, the genetic constitution of an organism or genic structure of an organism is known as genotype. Such as for the tallness, what are the genotype of the tallness? Then you will give the answer capital T, capital is a genotype for the tallness. Means by the genotype we will expressed in the form of capital T is a genotype. Such as what are the symbol of the carbon? We can see a symbol of carbon is capital C. What are the symbol of oxygen? You can say a symbol of oxygen is O. Same like here, what are the symbol or genotype of the tallness? You can say capital T, capital T. What are the symbol or genotype of the dwarfness? You can say small t, small t. Next, what are the phenotype? The external feature of a genotypic structure. The external features of a genotypic structure is known as phenotype. Means when when we will see this capital T, you can say what are the phenotype of this capital T? You can say tallness. Tallness is a phenotype, means external feature of a body organism, external features such as tallness is an external feature, dwarfness is an external feature, round seed is an external feature. These are the external feature. Color of the flower, color of the seed is an external feature. We can see by it by naked eye. So this is the external feature of a genotype structure or genotypic structure is known as phenotype. Next, homozygous. When in a genotype structure two allele are same is known as genotype, is known as homozygous. And when the two allele are differ in genotypic structure is known as heterozygous. And what are the F1 and F2 generation? When we will cross two by taking a two contrasting characters. When we will cross by taking two contrasting characters such as capital T, small t, then it will form a new plant. It will form a new plant, and this plant is known as F1 generation. And when the fertilization or crossed are happened among the F1 generation, or when the cross occurs in themselves in F1 generation is known as F2 generation. Means one mother and one father when produced by comes by the sexual contact, it will produce a first child or first children is known as F1 generation, and their grandchildren is known as second generation. Hybrid, when the two contrasting characters or genes combined in a F1 generation is known as hybrid, and mechanism is known as hybridization. So these are the main Mendel's words, and you will learn it and listen again and again this video.